Okay, so everybody, I just wanted to real quick talk to you. This is the Agnihotra lady. We're here at Shanti Villa Institute at the main campus in Tuskegee, Alabama. And you've seen the parts one, I think there's a part two of us at the Conyers location as we've been redoing the entire garden. So we're here in the cow pen. You see our cow Brownie over here. And we just got through loading up Ronnie's truck with soil mixed in with cow manure. And I just really wanted to real quick talk about the importance of physically touching the soil. Like I told you before, on a farm, you have to have animals on a farm to condition and poop and pee and condition and put those the natural fertilizer in the soil, and they stomp on it like with cows, like the Brownie. And if you can look and see, this is very rich soil. So this is built up for many years, and this is what we call the gold, your garden gold. And so the importance of you understanding gardening and farming, that the natural ways for you to touch the soil, touch every seed, touch every plant. You give thanks for the seeds, for the plants. You listen to the birds. You look around and you feel the wind blow. So this is a spiritual thing. Sometimes people are scared to actually touch the ground, the soil. They want to do it in pots or in some kind of raised bed that's made out of unnatural materials. And I'm here to tell you, your human touch is very potent and energetic. You yourself, when you are uttering these words, you can sing in the garden, okay? You can talk about your children, anything that you're worried about, and you give thanks of the abundance that the Creator has given you. This is an important part of gardening and farming. So I wanted to talk about that. So as you know, we have a Homa farming place, 13 acres here in Tuskegee, and we have a Homa garden in an acre in Conyers, Georgia. And so we perform Agnihotra on a regular basis, and a part of the aspect of farming is the physical touch. Your hands are the right tools, your voice, your expression of love, the love that's built up in your heart. Okay, so I just want to remind everybody about these very important aspects of farming and gardening. And I want you to have a fruitful harvest, be full of love, always forgive. And we look forward to talking to you the next time for our next garden talk.